Today we are repairing a Husqvarna 61 chainsaw. Original Husqvarna engine. To make my job easier, I first remove the wedge cover and take out the wedge and chain. I am unscrewing the screws on the top cover. Remove the air filter using a flat-tipped screwdriver. Husqvarna chainsaws have numerous screws in their exhaust. These screws might be filled with metal shavings. After cleaning the inside, let's remove all the screws. There is a hidden screw here. To prevent oil leakage from the oil reservoir, reattach the screws after removing the part. And now let's remove the main connected screws on the exhaust. The inside of the piston is covered in soot. I am removing the 4 main screws attached to the cylinder. I remove the handle so I can work more comfortable. And I am removing the throttle cable and choke lever from the carburetor. And the fuel hose was even more rotten. And as you can see, the piston is covered in soot. Very soot. I remove the side panel next to the piston and then remove the connected pin by tapping it in. After removing the piston, the first thing I do is clean the gaps between the piston rings. I used gasoline to clean it, just gasoline, just. And also sandpaper. As you can see, the piston is perfectly clean, and we brought this original piston back to life. I am applying oil here to help the piston rings move more smoothly. Now it's time to clean all the dirt from the chainsaw. I am cleaning it with a brush and gasoline. I also cleaned the crankcase. I will clean and disassemble the carburetor and cylinder. I will replace all the gaskets. I also cleaned the dirt inside the carburetor. And it took me quite a while to replace the rodent oils. I am installing the carburetor after replacing all the gaskets. I am installing the carburetor after replacing all the gaskets. I didn't replace the cylinder gasket. The original one was fine. I just applied a little bit of sealant liquid to it. And now I am carefully sealing the cylinder onto the piston. Don't break the piston wrench, please. The pull handle comes on very comfortable. The process is smooth. Tighten all the screws carefully, but don't tighten them only on one side. Tighten them all proportionally. And I put the other parts we removed back in the same way. Okay, and now it's time to start. And the engine worked perfectly. CHAİNSAW Husqvarna 61 worked perfectly. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and like the video. Thank you.